Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. In this session, we will be studying next 9 syllables from here to there. It's page number 11 and page number 12 of Al-Qaida Nuraniyah. And this slide is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. So the first letter is Jim. So the alif next to it is silent here. Jim fathatain jan. Jim fathatain jan. Jim kasratain jin. Jim kasratain jin. Jim dhammatain jun. Jim dhammatain jun. Jan, jin, jun. Jan, jin, jun. The next letter is kaf. So that's kaf, fathatain, and the alif is silent here. Kaf, fathatain, kan. Kaf, fathatain, kan. Kaf, kasratain, kin. Kaf, kasratain, kin. Kaf, dhammatain, kun. Kaf, dhammatain, kun. Kan, kin, kun. Kan, kin, kun. So the next letter is qaf. Qaf fathatain and alif is silent. Qaf fathatain qan. Qaf fathatain qan. Qaf kasratain qin. Qaf kasratain qin. Qaf dhammatain qun. Qaf dhammatain qun. Qan, qin, qun. Qan, qin, qun. So the next slides would be sounds only. Jan, jin, jun. Jan, jin, jun. Kan, kin, kun. Kan, kin, kun. Qan, qin, qun. Qan, qin, qun. So this is the end of this session. In next session, we will practice those 9 syllables 10 times without explanation, just to give you enough practice. We will see you in next session, inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.